Hello, this is Chris Burns from Slash Gear. Today we're looking at the brand new application for Android, Instagram. Instagram is an application that's been out for a while on iOS for iPhone and iPad for a while as well. It having a small interface either way, what we're seeing here is the phone version for Android. Now what you're getting here is a very similar experience to that, which you've seen on the iPhone before, where you have your images here, you can get them in a list or in a grid. On top you see, this is your profile by the way, the last thing in the middle, on the right, your profile. Mine's Chris Burns 79 if you want to follow me. I have 4 photos in this account right now just because I'm starting it fresh to show you. I have 1 follower and I'm following 35 people. Now that's an automatic thing that I did where I followed 35 people on Facebook, the top 35 that were already working with Instagram. So that was instant 1 button press, so you're easily able to follow lots of people right out of the box. Next we have our favorites. Now, or news rather. News shows you that right now 1 person is following me. That's the newest thing to happen. And from the people that are following, that I'm following, it shows everything that they've done recently. So it shows all these different follows as well as images they've taken. Next we have, well in the middle there's photos, but I'll show you that last. Next we have popular. Now these are images that are popular across the whole gamut of people using Instagram. As far as we know, this is included from iPhone as well, but it might just be Android. Here at home, you're able to see a sort of news feed, which shows people that I follow, as well as my photos that I've just taken, including that nice little Android there. You might recognize this Android from my review over on Android community of this device, which is the HTC One S. We also have the HTC One X. We're going to do some comparisons here on Slash Gear today. What I'm going to show you here lastly is the actual camera. Now the camera works with your camera right there like that, and what you're able to do is take photos with it. You can either take a photo of it right from here, or you can switch over here to go to your gallery and select an image from the images you already have. Now you can change your flash. I'll turn it off for now. You can switch this to go to the back facing camera, so you can say hi. Flip that back again, and then you can just take simple photos. You can touch to focus as well there. It's telling us we're not going to focus because it's so far away that it's just, it's fine. But if I want to focus down here, let's get a little guy here so we can focus on him. I got this guy. I want to focus on him. I'll tap. And too close. There we are. Now we're focused. Take that photo. Now that we've got that photo, we're able to do several things with it. We can change the border. Right now with this particular thing there is no border, but if I go to Amaro, you can change. No, none either. Let's see here. There we go. This one has a border. It's a tiny black border. Depending on the effect that you use, you get different sorts of borders. So if we go to Toaster, see we have a white border like that. If we go all the way over here to Nashville, this is a pretty cool border. It's got one of those things like how it's processed before it's cut down or put into a frame. 1977 has white. Kelvin has those scratched sides there. Valencia has none. Inkwell has white as well. Brandon has black. Sutro has black. Lo-Fi Early Bird, Lo-Fi X Pro, Hudson, Sierra, and more and more and more. Now this whole thing is available to you right out of the box when you get the app. You can switch which way you are oriented here. We'll go back to normal way. You can change the brightness here of the photo. Sometimes if you're on particular apps, this kind of blows it out. It's pretty cool. And again, you can change the borders. Once you have the image you want, you go to next. It processes it, and you're able to start sharing it. Now what you're doing from here is you're going to type in a caption. This caption will go to all these different places if you want it to be, if you want it to. Now you're probably going to want to stay in 140 characters because you're going to Twitter, but you can also send it straight to Facebook, Foursquare, and Tumblr. To send it to Foursquare, you're also going to want to geotag because that'll tag where you are and tag you in Foursquare at once. So what I'm going to do here is just say hey, and I'm not going to go to any of these right now. We'll just skip that for now and go ahead and upload. and I'll upload in a moment and say done, and there you have it. Now it's on my Instagram page, which is at ChrisBurns79, and it would be sent to all those different applications as well. Pretty cool.